Today we'll be making Finnish rye bread. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of rye flour, 1 package of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/4 cups of warm water. Pour the yeast and the warm water into a large bowl and let stand for 5 minutes. Bubbles will begin to form, signifying that the yeast is activating. Now it's time to add in the sugar, the vegetable oil, the salt, and the rye flour. Mix all of these ingredients together well. Add in just 1 cup of your all-purpose flour, pour the remaining 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour onto your work surface and knead the rye flour mixture into it for 5 minutes. Butter a large bowl and set aside. Place the dough in the bowl and cover with a clean tea towel. Set aside and let it rise for 1 hour. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. Lightly flour your work surface and knead the dough for 1 minute. Place the dough in a well-oiled 9x4 loaf pan. Cover and let rise again for 1 hour. As you can see, it's doubled in size again. This bread is ready for the oven. Let the bread cool down a bit before removing it from the pan. And there it is, Finnish rye bread, great with butter, jam, honey, or served with meat and cheese. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.